Let's write the code uh, for different browser command. So first upon all, we'll try to open google.com, then we'll switch to robotframework.org, robotframework.org, then we again go to google.com, then again we'll go for robot framework. So here, first of all, go to your PyCharm, then go to your directory. In our project we have created one directory, right click, new file, so we can give the name browser control.robot. So it will be get created, your workspace get created. So now we will try to write the code. So our code is built on 4 sections: setting, variables, test cases and keywords. So in this case we are not using keywords and variables. So started from settings. So triple start in between setting. Library, we need the Selenium library to execute this particular test case. Then we try to write the test case. Here we can give the name to our test case is browser command. So we first upon all, we need to open the browser. So we are using this open browser command, https://www.google.com/ on Chrome. Then we are maximizing this window. Then we wait for 3 seconds. We give on sleep. Then we use the command go to and this particular URLs framework, the https://robotframework.org/. Then we give on the sleep for 3 seconds. Then again go back to our previous google.com. Then again go to robot framework. Then finally we'll close this. So in same tab, we are opening different URLs, and if we open the Google, then to open this robot framework in same browser, same tab, it will open the robot frameworks. Then go back to Google, then again go back to robot frameworks as well. In same tab, different URLs opening by using go to and go back command. So now this is all about our code. Let's see here browser. In same tab, it is opening first Google, and then this robot in same tab, not a different tab. Go to your PyCharm. Here we can use the command robot automation /test_browser command.robot. Then you can click on enter. So here you can see our test browser command is getting opening the Google page. Then it will get maximized. So first upon all, it is opening google.com, then it getting maximized. It will get maximized. Then it will go to robot frameworks. So here you can see it will go to robot frameworks. Then it comes back to google.com again. It should come back to google.com. So let's see what happening. Yeah, it's opening robot frameworks is open. Then it go back to google.com, right? So now it will go to again robot frameworks. So you can see we are on robot framework. So our test case get executed successfully. We not closed from code. So here you can see our test case get executed successfully. Okay, one test. Here we can see the report we can go to see the report. We can click on those report, one test, one passed. We can go to see the report. Click on this PyCharm robot frameworks report. Here we can see our report is generated, set it, all tests passed. Here is the log file. You can check the log files. So here we have the full name, source, the start and end times. Then here we can check the step by step. So first it's open the browser, then it get maximized, then we given the sleep for 3 seconds, then it go to the robot framework, then it sleep for 3 seconds, then it go back, then it goes to robot frameworks. So as this way we have completed the browser commands. In this particular video we open the Google, then go to robot framework. So we can reverse also. We can first go to we can go to robot frameworks as well. So in this particular, we opening the browser maximizing window, then we are using opening the browser with google.com, but we can open the browser with this first robot framework, then we can switch to Google's also. So you can switch in any website, but in single browsers or single instance of browser we need to do that. So in this case, opening Google, then robot frameworks, then given sleep, then go back and then go to robot framework. We can go back now again we can go back. So it will take you on google.com, and again we can go to again we can go to robots framework. So now we need to execute once again. So go to the terminal and click on enter. We can see here our browser is opening, then it will get maximized. Yes, our google.com opening, now it will get maximized. Our single instance of browser is opened. Now it opened google.com. Now it goes to the robot frameworks org. It will open completely. After opening robot framework, it will go back to google.com again. Yes, we can see it's still opening robot. Yes, it's still opening robot. It not get back. After opening robot framework, it will go back to Google. It takes some time. It working slow. Now it's completely opened the robot. Then it go back to Google. You can see here it goes back to Google. If the operation is complete, it will go back again to robot frameworks. Again, after opening the Google, it goes to robot framework again, right? So our test case get completed successfully. You can see here all those operations are performing in same tab. That's it. It will go to and go back commands. Now we can go to reports and see logs and all those things again. Still it is running, it will take some times. So as this way, this browser back command, here we are opening some few of the browsers and going to different browsers, then we use go to command, then go back command to navigating through different browsers. So that's it about this particular videos.